Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 2 of class 7th DAV Social Science, the Earth and the Changes on It. Back exercise. A. Take the correct option. Answer. First, D. Formation of mountains. 2. B. Antarctica. 3. A. V-shaped valley, meander and delta. 4th, D. Topsoil. 5th, A. Alluvial soil. B. Fill in the blanks. First, organic matter when gets decomposed in the soil and converts it into dark colored material is called humus. Alluvial soil is found in a large part of our country. Shape and V-shaped valleys are formed at the youthful stage of a river. A cliff is a steep-sided rock facing the sea. Ganga River and Brahmaputra River form the largest delta of the world. C. Give a single term of each of the following statements. First, mounds of sand deposited by wind action deserts, sand dunes. Second, the process in which a gradual wearing and carrying away of soil particles takes place on the Earth's surface, denudation/erosion. Third, the process of laying down of sediments carried by various agents of gradation deposition. Fourth, a mass of moving ice down the slope glacier. Fifth, removal of the top layer of soil, soil erosion. D. Answer the following questions in brief. First, specify two differences between internal and external forces. Answer. The forces which act under the Earth's surface are called internal forces. They result in the change of landforms, while the forces which act on the Earth's surface are called external forces. They result in the change of nature and shape of landforms. Second, name the various agents of gradation. Answer. The various agents of gradations are running water, wind, moving ice, sea, waves, etc. Third, distinguish between transported and residual soil. Answer. The formation of soil in which the weathering process breaks the rocks into small particles. These are then carried away by water, wind, etc. and later get deposited at a new place. Such soil is called transported soil. When the soil is formed by the weathering of a parent rock and remains present on the same site, it is called residual soil. Fourth, how is a delta formed? Answer. Before meeting the sea, the river becomes large and sluggish and gets divided into several distributaries. It now comes to its old stage. The river thus deposits slick sand and sediments over a large area near its mouth. This large deposition helps in the formation of a delta. Fifth, why is humus formed more rapidly in humid areas? Answer. Humus is formed rapidly in humid areas due to the heavy growth of plants and rich animal life. E. Answer the following questions. First, explain weathering. Mention the factors that affect the rate of weathering and soil erosion. Answer. Weathering is the process which breaks rocks into small particles. It includes erosion and deposition. The factors that affect the rate of weathering and soil erosions are the temperature of the place, vegetation cover, rainfall, slope of the land, type of soil, and changes in land use. Second, explain the formation of soil with the help of a label diagram. Answer. The formation of soil is very slow process. It takes thousands of years to form a thin layer of soil. It is formed by the process of weathering. The soil forming process continues over a long span of time. Diagram of formation of soil. It starts developing in layers one over the other. These layers are called horizons. From bottom to top, the lowest horizon is called bedrock. Then comes the horizon of weathered rock and it is followed by the subsoil and topsoil. Third, what are the major soil types found in India? Give one important characteristics of each. Answer. The major types of soil found in India are first, alluvial soil. This type of soil is very fertile and forms major agricultural land of our country. Second, black soil. This soil has an ability to retain moisture and becomes sticky when wet. Third, red soil. This type of soil is highly porous, fine grained, and deep. Fourth, laterite soil. This type of soil is found in the region of heavy rainfall. Describe the journey of a river from its source to its mouth. Answer. The river takes birth in a mountain, becomes larger where it is met by a number of tributaries, flows over plains and finally ends when it reaches the sea. In its early stage, it flows over steep mountains where its rate of erosion is maximum. As the river enters into the plains, the volume of water increases and the slope of land decreases, resulting in slow speed of the river. Before meeting the sea, the river becomes large and sluggish and gets divided into several distributaries. It now comes to its old stage. The river thus deposits split and sand and sediments over a large area near its mouth. Fifth, why is conservation of soil important? Suggest three different ways of soil conservation. Answer. The conservation of soil is important because the formation of soil is a very slow process. It takes thousands of years to form a thin layer of soil. The three different ways of soil conservation are: first, plantation of trees; second, development and management of pasture land; third, selective agriculture practices like crop rotation and multiple cropping method. Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.